Synesthesia is a fascinating neurological phenomenon where the stimulation of one sense triggers an involuntary experience in another sense. This might sound strange, but it's a very real condition for those who have it. For example, a person with synesthesia might taste words or see sounds. While there are many different types of synesthesia, one of the less common forms is calendar synesthesia. People with this condition experience a vivid, often involuntary mental image of time units like days, weeks, months, or years. Imagine a calendar appearing in your mind's eye every time you think of a date. That's a glimpse into the world of someone with calendar synesthesia. Although the exact prevalence of calendar synesthesia is unknown, it's thought to be quite rare, even among individuals with other forms of synesthesia. Research suggests that synesthesia in general might affect as much as 4% of the population, but specific types like calendar synesthesia are less well documented. Despite its rarity, understanding calendar synesthesia can offer valuable insights into how the brain processes abstract concepts like time. It challenges our understanding of how perception works and highlights the incredible diversity of human experience. Individuals with calendar synesthesia often describe their experience as seeing a calendar or a timeline in their mind's eye. These mental constructs can take on various forms and are unique to each individual. Some might see a traditional calendar layout, while others might visualize a circular or spiral pattern representing the passage of time. The colors, shapes, and spatial arrangements of these mental calendars are often consistent and stable over time for each person. For instance, a person might always see Tuesdays as a shade of blue or perceive March as a clockwise loop emanating from February. These visual associations can be so ingrained that individuals might use them to navigate their daily lives, remembering events based on their position on their mental calendar. Interestingly, these mental calendars aren't just static images. They can be dynamic and interactive, with individuals mentally moving through days or weeks as they think about different time periods. For them, navigating time isn't just an abstract process, but a tangible experience intertwined with their visual perception. This unique ability to see time provides a captivating glimpse into the diverse ways our brains can represent abstract concepts. It underscores the intricate relationship between our senses and cognitive processes. While research on calendar synesthesia is still in its early stages, scientists are beginning to unravel the neural mechanisms underlying this fascinating condition. Some studies suggest that it might be linked to increased connectivity between certain brain regions, particularly those involved in sensory processing and abstract thinking. For example, one study found that individuals with calendar synesthesia showed greater activity in the parietal lobe, an area of the brain associated with spatial awareness and numerical cognition. Another study identified differences in the white matter tracts connecting the parietal lobe to other brain regions, suggesting altered communication pathways in individuals with synesthesia. These findings suggest that calendar synesthesia might arise from cross-wiring in the brain, where areas typically responsible for processing specific sensory information are interconnected with regions involved in abstract thought. This cross-activation could explain why thinking about time triggers a visual experience in those with the condition. Although much remains to be discovered, these early studies provide a foundation for understanding the neurological basis of calendar synesthesia and highlight the incredible plasticity and interconnectedness of the human brain. Calendar synesthesia stands as a compelling example of the brain's remarkable ability to create unique sensory experiences. By studying these unusual conditions, we can gain valuable insights into the workings of the brain and its role in shaping our perceptions of the world. Comparing calendar synesthesia to conditions like aphantasia, where individuals lack the ability to conjure voluntary mental images, further underscores the diversity of human experience. While some individuals perceive time vividly through their senses, others might lack this innate ability for mental imagery altogether. Research suggests that aphantasia might affect as much as 2 to 3% of the population, highlighting the significant variation in our internal mental landscapes. Understanding the neural underpinnings of these conditions could shed light on the mechanisms of mental imagery and its impact on our cognitive processes. By continuing to explore these fascinating neurological phenomena, we can unlock the mysteries of the human mind and gain a deeper appreciation for the diverse ways in which we experience the world around us.